Good morning, guys. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, cool. How many people are there? One, two, three, four, 10 people, I guess. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, cool. Uh, just drop a message. Okay, so we will start today with solve string question plus 2D array question. Okay, I'll take some 2D array question so that you get the idea of how it works. Okay, uh, so yeah, is everyone ready? Tell me, is everyone ready? Thumbs up if you are ready. Thumbs up if you are ready. Okay, so I'll just take out share the screen. Okay, we'll start with string. Okay, so let's not see the time today. Let it be. Okay, let it go. If it let's see the timing 1.5 hour to 2 hours if we can take the class. Okay, up to 12 maybe. Okay, so make sure you guys stay. Okay, you do not leave the class in between because there will be a flow that I will be maintaining. Okay, make sure you guys are attending each and every thing. Okay, each and everything you make sure you are understanding. Okay, so most probably this will be the last class of arrays and strings. Okay, because I have taken a lot of class, around 5 to 6 classes I guess I have taken. It's already how many day it is, 11th day. Okay, 11th day. Now I'll start from tomorrow, maybe I'll start with data structure. Okay, so make sure everyone you guys practice it. Okay, make sure you guys practice it. Make sure you guys doing your own part. Okay, so let's start. I'll just share my screen. Okay, is it visible? Tell me yes or no. Is it visible? Yes. Okay, if it is visible, what we'll do is I will start with the string. Let's start with the string. Okay, yesterday we have solved a couple of questions. So I hope you have enjoyed the class. Yesterday it was like a lot of interesting questions were there. So we'll start with that string question. Okay, do anybody remember what was the last question? What was the last question? Do anybody remember?
Reverse of string.
Hmm?
Reverse of string. Yeah.
Reverse string 2, right? Yes. Okay, let's see reverse string 3 if what kind of question is this? Okay, it's interesting. Everybody observe it. So I hope you guys are understanding the way of question they are asking. Are you getting some idea of how I'm solving problems? First I'll understand, then I'll just traverse, then I'll do some condition. That's it. Okay, that's it. That is what coding is. It's not very complicated, but it will come with practice. Uh, can I ask how many question are you guys solving? Like how many? What is the number of lead code questions? What is your number of lead code questions? So I'll start with a few people. Everyone can say their lead code numbers of questions, how many have they have solved, so that we can improve the number. Okay, ultimately it is a number game. You have to increase the number, as I always say. Okay, so tell me guys, how many numbers you guys have solved. Just tell me real number. Okay, I don't need to, you don't need to lie to anyone. Yeah, I'm just here checking how many have solved how many lead code question. So let's say just drop me your in the chat box, drop down the number, guys. In the chat box, drop down the number how many questions you have solved. Honestly, honestly. so that we can accept the number and we can go forward. So that I told you, right, 100, if you solve 100 questions by your own, then you will get confident. Okay, so everyone just put it down in the chat box how many questions you have solved. If you have solved nothing, then you just write nothing. I don't have any issue. Just I am looking at the number, how many people have solved how much. Everyone put it in the chat box. Everyone put it in the chat box. I'm waiting. Okay, Yamuna has started nothing. Bhavani, 10 to 12. Chandrakala, 10. Everyone put it down. Put it down. If nothing, just write down nothing. Everyone put it down. 15 people are there. Around 14 people are there, I guess. Write it down in the chat box. Okay, Sneha solved 30 plus. Mm, who else? Archana 30. Who else? Who else? Everyone just put it down. Put down the number. Coach Chef 30 plus. Okay, cool. Nidhi 8, Nikita 10, Lisa 10. Okay, you guys need to increase the number, guys. You guys need to increase the number, otherwise you won't feel the confident. Okay, so Meghana, including everyday class problems. Okay, 53. Great, Meghana. uh, keep doing it. I'm requesting you guys, uh, from today at least you do 1 2 questions. Start with 1 2 question. Okay, then only you will feel the confidence. Otherwise you can never feel the confidence if someone else is doing, you are not doing, right? Okay, Gnanashri has done 80 in lead code. That's great. So I'm sure you are feeling somehow easy questions. You can do it somehow. I feel so if you are in 80. Okay, all right, great. So everyone, make sure you guys increase the question. Okay, it's not a problem whatever you have done, whatever you have not done, but just that make sure you guys are increasing the number. So I have got everyone's, I guess. Anyone left? Anyone left? I guess Yukta, Nikita have told. I guess Nidhi told. Meghna told. Lisa, Kusumpriya, Amulya. What about you? Archana, Archana also said. I guess yes. Yukta 10. Okay. Uh, Amulya. Okay, cool. 15. All right. You guys need to increase. I'm telling you. You guys need to increase the numbers. Okay. So, all right. Let's start with that. Let's start with the questions then. I'll just stop sharing and I'll share it again. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to you all. Okay, and we'll start with the question reverse of a string 3. Okay, so see, first of all you get the reverse question, and what you do, uh, you see reverse question, you understand the question first. Okay, so it is saying that here each and every word, if you see, each and every word is reversed, but it is reversed only on the same sequence. Okay, the sequence is not changed at all. So this sequence is same, this sequence is same, this sequence is same, this sequence is same. Means what? Let's his first word, take his second word, lead code is third word, contest is fourth word. Okay, so it's just that the word you need to change in itself. Is everybody clear? Tell me yes or no. Is everybody clear with the question? Yes. So what I can understand is I have to just take a list. Okay, I have to just take a list and I can separate each and every word. Okay, each and every word if I separate, and what I have to do is I have to just reverse the word. That's it. Okay, that's it. And after that again I have to take the string and I have to concatenate it. Okay, that's what I am understanding. So everybody observe. First of all, what I'll do is s equal to, not s, l equal to, so if I take a string, everybody observe here. Let's say, hey, how are you? How I can collect this? Everyone observe. So what I'll do is L equal to list or s dot split. If I can just split it up. Okay. Then what I'll do, I'll write L. So if I run this, I'll get the answer as, hey, how are you? Are you understanding? Split, dot split. Okay, dot split means it will split automatically by spaces. If you give something else like comma, then it will split by comma. So for example, comma is here, comma is here, comma is here, then it will be splitted by comma. Okay, but as it is by default it is space, so you don't have to give anything. You just do s dot split and it will split accordingly to the, with the space. Is, am I clear? Am I clear, everyone? Yes. Okay, if I'm clear, what I'll do is s dot split. After splitting, what I'll do, I'll take each and every word and I will reverse it. So what I'll do, I have to traverse it, right? For I in s, for I in, not s, for I in l. Okay, for I in l. Now what I am doing is I have to reverse the value. Okay, so reverse the value where? I have to reverse the value in the same position. So what I have to do, I have to take a range so that I can put it in the index. Okay, index I have to change, right? So same word I have to change the reverse. So for I in range, what I can do, len of l. Okay, for I in range, len of l. So in that position of I will take that position of I and I will reverse that number. Am I clear with this? So see, if I print now, observe what I'll get. So I'll get each and every word with a reversed one. See, let's get idol, teal. So all the things are now reversed. Am I clear? So see, this is the L of I. In the same position, I am taking the first the word I am taking, and then I am doing reverse. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Okay, now if I am doing this, what I can do is, now I have to take it in a string. So how do I take it in a string? I'll take empty string. Okay, I have taken empty string. After that, for I in L, I am traversing. I have to take one by one, right? So what I'll do, s equal to s plus I. Okay, s equal to s plus I, and then s equal to s plus I, and then I will also have to add space. So plus, after each and every, I'll put space. Clear? I have to put space. Now after taking space, if you see here, one thing is missing. This is not the full answer. Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me, if I do return s, it is missing something? Can you tell me? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me? So see, what is missing? Tell me. What is this? Is expected. This is the output. What is extra? What is extra? What is extra? What is extra, guys? Look at it. What is extra here and here? Space. So one extra space is there, right? So how I can remove that extra space? I can just do, everyone observe, I can just do return as this and -1. I'm just doing slicing. Slicing means -1 means last digit, right? If I put the last digit, it will come last digit -1. Okay, so it will remove the last digit, last not digit, last word character. Okay, so if I now run, it will show you the correct answer because slicing, simple, negative indexing. Okay, negative indexing -1, -2, -3, -4. So again, it is not that intuitive, but it is not that correct approach, but it is intuitive. Okay, it is intuitive. You can also use here while loop also to run it, to run one by one. Okay, a lot of ways you can do, but this is what intuition is, simple intuition. Is everybody clear with this question? Is everybody clear? Okay, yes. Look at it, everyone, just try to understand line by line. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask. Everyone check it out. A minute, check it out, code. Done? Is everybody done? Tell me, clear? Yes? Okay, cool. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, one question done. Very simple, very easy. Okay, just intuition. It comes with the practice, it comes with the understanding of how to do this question. So I'll just copy it, I'll just put it in the first question, okay, for today. Next, let's go to next question. Reverse of a string is done. Maximum indices of two string. Valid palindrome 2. Okay, let's look at this valid palindrome of 2. Can anyone solve this? No, this is quite little difficult. Okay, this logic is quite difficult. uh, they are saying that you have to delete one character from the string, and then you have to make sure that whether it is a palindrome or not, and at most you can delete one. Okay, at most. If it is not also, that's fine. If it is, at most you have to delete one character. Okay, this is little bit difficult, the logic wise, so we'll go with the lower case. Okay, let's see the question. Okay, simple. Every uppercase letter with the same lowercase letter. Uppercase, you need to change it to lowercase. So what you can do, simple, to lower. Okay, but again see, here the main goal is to, string is given, you can't change the string because string is immutable. Okay, string is immutable, so what you need to do, you need to change it into list. Okay, so that after that you can change it for I in L. So if I dot is upper, you are just checking whether it is uppercase. If it is uppercase, then what you do, uh, not I. So now this time I have to change it into range of len of L. So if it is upper, then what you have to do, you have to change it into lower. So uh, L of I equal to L of I dot lower. If it is upper, then you are changing it to lower, and then return. You have to make string into list into string. How do you make list into string? This dot join, and then you put the L. L is what? The list. Let's check it out whether it is taking or not. L range. No, it is range. Is upper. Okay. There should be a function. Okay, they are saying ASCII value also, you can see in table ASCII character. I'll just check the function. Is upper is a string is upper, correct only, right? String is upper, yes. So I'm checking. Okay, not I, it is L of I. Okay, so L of I means in that index what is the value. These are some functions that you have to know. Is upper, is lower. If it is upper, then only you are changing. If it is lower, you are not changing. You just keep it as it is. Tell me, is everybody clear? Is everybody understanding? Is everybody clear? Yes? Okay. If you are done with this, we'll go to next. Okay. Is uppercase to lowercase done? Jewels and stones, rotate string. Let's do rotate string. Okay, let's check it out. Given two string s and goal, return true if and only if s can become goal after some number of rotations shift on s. A shift on s consists of moving the leftmost character of s to the rightmost. So from here again you move to the left. Okay, again from left. Okay, for example d, it will become after one shift. So this will become one shift after this because A will go in the last. Is everybody getting the question? Is everybody getting the question? So they're asking they're asking if uh, you have to shift the thing, and if it is same then you return true, if not return false. Is everybody done? Is everybody understanding the question? Think about the logic, guys. Think about the logic. Think about the logic, how you can do it. Think about the logic. Think about the logic, guys. So can I just shift the one by one value in the end and then check whether it is equal or not? Can I? Yes, I'll take one by one value from front and to put it in the last, and then again I'll check whether it is true or not. Okay, just in one loop we can check. So for example, goal I need to check, right? For I in range, how many time I need to run? Len of s time. Why len of s time? Why len of s time I'm running? Why not just more than that? Can anybody is anybody understanding? Tell me this. Why I'm running, if there are 5 characters, I'm just running 5 shift? Why not more than 5? Why not more than 5 shift? Why not more than 5 shift? Are you guys there? It is simple. Logically, if you think, it is very simple. What is that?
It start repeating again, sir.
Yes, again it will start the repeating the same thing. So I don't need to check the same repeating thing, right? So in this, what we'll do, in this we have a very interesting thing. So what we need to do is, I'll first convert it into list so that I can change the string. Okay, otherwise I cannot change the string. So L equal to list of s. So always remember, you can convert string into list and do the manipulation part, and then you can add it back. Okay, this is the easiest thing you can do. List is very very useful. Okay, so what you can do is, in this list, what you do is you pop 0. Pop 0 means the first letter you pop it up, and then you append it in the last. So you have pop it up, but you have to store it somewhere, right? So let's say that first character is A. So again you are appending it in the A. So basically what you are doing, you are popping up from the front and you are putting it in the back. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes. uh, Now what I can do is I can just take this outside, or else it will be, yeah. So what I'm doing outside, I'm taking creating a list, popping and appending. After that, I should check that if if that list, so dot join, after popping, after appending, you have to check whether that list is now equal to goal. If it is now equal to goal, then return true, else keep going on. Okay, so see, my list is there. What I'm doing, I'm taking one list, one thing out from that, and putting it in the last. And then what I'm doing, I'm converting it into string, because this is string. Okay, you have to convert it into the string, and you are checking whether is it equal to goal. If it is goal, then return true. If not, you continue this process. Okay, and then if you are not getting at the end, return false. If you are not getting. Okay, so let's do it. Done. And then I'll submit it. Yes, it's not very efficient. Yes, not very efficient, but somehow it works. We are just doing it using intuition, simple. We are not much. After a point, you can think of time and space complexity. For now, you just focus on solving a question. Tell me, is everyone understanding? Anybody, any problem, ask me. I can explain you again. Anybody, any problem, ask.
I tried other methods, sir.
Pardon?
I tried other methods.
You tried other method. What method? Okay, I'll just check it out. Uh, Bhavani. If length of S equal to length of goal, okay, if goal in A, return true, else return false. Is this working?
Yes, sir, it's working, sir.
If length of S equal to length of goal, I think indentation error is there in this. Let's check it out. Okay, 100%. Let's check it out. It is a better approach then. Let's check it out what exactly you have done. Everybody try to understand this. See, whenever you get a code, you try to understand. That's a better thing, rather than if you are not able to solve. Even if you have solved, try to see some approach that is better than that. Okay, and try to understand. So first of all, what you are doing, A equal to S plus S. S plus S means, so see, it is S plus S. Okay, so A B C D E, A B C D E. Okay, A B C D E, A B C D E. So, and then you are checking if len of S equal to len of goal. If len of S equal to len of goal, then you are doing something. Okay, so now what is this S and this should be equal, right? Even if you are rotating, the length should be equal, right? If not, you are not checking that. So you are first making sure that length of both are equal. Okay, now once, if the length is not equal, you return false. If the length is equal, what you are checking, whether the goal in A. So think of it, A B C D E and A B C D E. Okay, so that time goal will be there, right? This is very interesting. Okay, I'll just put it here. Very interesting approach. Okay, so see, S is A B C D E. Goal is C D E. AB, let's say. Okay, so what you are doing, you are doing taking A B C D E, A B C D E. So first of all, you are making sure that both the length are same. Yes, if the length are same, what you are doing, you are checking this is present in this. Okay, so C D E A B will be there, right? C D E A B is there means it is true. If it is not there, then it is false. Good approach. Again, it is the 100% beat means right approach. Have you done this by yourself, Bhavani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if you have done it by yourself, that's great. Okay, so is everyone understanding? Tell me yes or no. Yes, understood. This is actually a good approach if you can, if you have understood. Okay, so yeah, it comes with practice, guys. Yeah, it comes with practice. You just keep solving problems, you will get the flow of how to do it and how not to do it. Okay, rotate string. Very good question. So what I'll do is I'll just copy it, just paste it. Then these questions are done. Is everyone clear? Shall we move to next? Shall we move to next? Okay, 3 questions done. Okay, next. Rotate similar, shortest number of lines to string, number of lines to write string. Let's look at this. It is quite big question. Okay, let's. You have to read it. Let's do some simpler question. Okay, I'm too lazy to read too long question. Let's do some most common word. Let's see. Okay, very interesting this one. Very interesting. Okay, see, everyone observe. This is very interesting actually. Okay, everybody try to understand. Okay, try to understand. Bob hit a ball. The ball hit. So basically, it is saying most common word. Okay. Now see here, two words are there. First is Bob. Not Bob. It is hit. Hit, hit, and hit. 3 times hit are there. If you see, 3 time hit. Okay. That 3 time hit it is there, but banned word is hit. So you can't choose that. Okay, now next word you need to see. Next word is ball. So ball occurs 2 times, but again here punctuation mark is there, you need to remove the punctuation mark. Okay, and also you need to make it smaller. You need to make it smaller. Is everybody getting it? Is everybody getting the question? I'll just try to solve it in the compiler so that you can understand each and every step. Everyone pay attention. Okay, this is the paragraph, and band is what? Band is this. Yes, is everyone understanding? Tell me yes or no. Is everyone understanding? So I'll be solving it step by step. Yes, question is quite simple. Okay, question is not very difficult. Let's solve it step by step. My first thing, my first job. What is my first job? Tell me, anyone. If you have done it by now, you should be able to understand the pattern. First job. What is my first job? Tell me. What is my first job? What is my first job, guys? Huh? What is my first job?
Lower to lower case.
Huh. Just convert it to lowercase. Simple. Just convert it to lowercase first of all. Okay. So let's make it paragraph equal to paragraph dot lower. Let's check it out. I'll just print paragraph. Yes. Can you observe? See, again, do not think that I am not here changing the string. Everyone observe. You might think that the string is immutable, right? Then how you are changing the string? So basically, I am taking the same string and I am putting new string in that string. Again, I'm not changing anything in between. I'm taking that variable and I'm putting something new in that. Okay, I'm not changing in between anything. Am I clear? Tell me yes or no. Am I clear? Am I clear with this? String is immutable. Means in between you can't change anything, but you can put something newly in that string. So what I'm doing in the paragraph, I'm changing paragraph dot lower. Paragraph dot lower is some string, right? You have taken that string and you have put it in the same memory location. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Now, second task. What is the second task? What is the second task, guys? What is the second task? So,
Bad word, bad.
pardon?
Bad sir. Bad set. Easy set.
Back set? What you are saying? Say it again. Say it again.
To store the bad word, sir.
To store
To
the
store bad word.
to store the bad words.
Bad, sir. Bad.
Bank. Ban words. Okay. No, I. That is not the second step. That is later. Okay. Second step is what? Second step is what I need to do is I need to remove the punctuation mark. Okay, I can't take this punctuation mark, this punctuation mark. So I have to remove those punctuation marks. So let's try it. Okay, so let's say my answer is my empty string. Okay, now I'll be just running this paragraph for I in paragraph. For I in paragraph. Okay, I'm running one by one. If I equal to space, or I equal to, or I is alpha, is alphabet. Okay, then what I'll do, alpha numeric also you can take, alpha elnum it is. Okay, if it is this, then answer equal to answer plus I. Now see what I'll do. I will print answer. I'll print answer. Check the answer. Everybody check the answer. Getting? If it is space or if it is elnum, then only you take. If it is extra character, you are not taking it. Is everybody clear? Is everybody clear? Yes. Now what you can do now, it's very simple. Now it's very simple. You just have to take a list and then you have to convert it the answer, not answer dot split you can do, no issue in that. Answer dot split. Okay, if you want split, it means you have to split it according to the space. Yes. Now I'll take out dictionary. Okay, in that dictionary I will count it. I will count the highest one, but I can count it, that I can do, but instead of counting I have to find the highest word, right? Let me count it. Okay, let me count it. So for I in L, if I not in D, D equal to D of I equal to 1, else D of I plus equal to 1. So now I'll print D and then show you what is the dictionary. So see everyone, Bob is 1 time, hit is 3 time, A is 1 time, ball is 2 time, D is 1 time, flow is flee, after this 1 time. Is everyone getting it? Is everyone getting it this much? I am just doing step by step. All the process I am doing step by step. Okay, here I am using dictionary. That's it. Okay, just I am doing step by step. Now what you need to do, if you see what you need to do, you need to basically sort it out. Okay, you need to sort it out. So let me try sorting it. If I do sort, I can't find it actually. I have to do the sorting dot reverse. Okay, D has no attribute, so I'll just check how to sort the dictionary. How to sort dictionary in Python using values in reverse order. So there's a function. Okay, there's a function of how you can reverse, lambda function, I guess we have to use. So see, apple is 2, banana is 3, so this is sorted order, right? This is reverse sorted according to the data. So there's a this code you have to remember. Okay, I'll just take this code and I'll check it out, show you how it is working. So see, everyone observe. Let's say sorted. Okay, dictionary. First of all, you are taking dictionary function. Okay, this is dictionary function. In this dictionary function you are doing sorted. Okay, sorted. Now data dot items you are taking, data dot items. Okay, items you will take all the values. Now key is lambda. Let's say you are taking these items, all of items one by one, and key is lambda. Lambda is a function. Okay, you are just using a function. It is a short function basically. Okay, lambda you are using, and also you can just write item. So here you can also write x of 1. Okay, and reverse true. This is actually a syntax to, I'll just print sorted and then you observe it how it works. data, not, it is not data, it is D. Okay, everyone check it out. I'll not print paragraph. Okay, everyone observe it. Is it in the sorted order? Reverse sorted. So if you don't do reverse here, it will be in the sorted order. So see everyone, see, it is in the sorted order. Okay, just if you have to do reverse, you have to do this. This is just a syntax that you have to remember. Okay, so I'll again decode it. Everyone observe. First is dictionary, and then you have to sort it. You have to use the sorted function. Sorted function is ending here, and this is dictionaries function. In that, first you have to take the what items, dictionary items, right? Dictionary dot items, you have to write these items. This is not a variable, this is a function. What items you are taking. Okay, now you are taking key. Key is a variable where you are storing lambda x. You are taking x is key and value is x of I. Okay, so you are passing one by one values in that x. So x of 1, see, x of if you want to sort it using the key. Key means the first word, right? First key and value. So if you want to sort it using key, you have to write x of 0. Okay, so for example, if I write x of 0, let's see the sorted order. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me out? Yes or no? Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me out? Hello. Hello. Can you guys? Can you guys hear me out? Tell me yes or no. Can you guys hear me out?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am having little bit internet issue. So yeah, just adjust it. No issue. Not a big deal. Okay, it happens. So I'll just share my screen. Okay, I'll just share my screen. Is it shared, guys? Is it already shared? Is it already shared? Okay, now I'm sharing it. Okay, now see, if I keep x of 0 here, it will be sorted accordingly to the, see, it is sorted according, again reverse true. If I remove reverse true, it is sorted accordingly to the word. See, A is coming first, after is coming second, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It is sorting according to the key. Are you understanding? Are you understanding why? Are you understanding why? Because I have kept it for key. X is a function, okay? Lambda x is a function. That function, you are sorting it using key. That is what it means. If you want to sort it using value, you just have to write x of 1. Is everybody clear? And then again, if you want to reverse it, reverse true. So now see, it will be sorted accordingly but reverse order. H, B, A, but here it is sorted using value, not key. So if I keep it key, then it will be sorted accordingly. Reverse order. See, A is coming last. Is everyone understanding? Is everyone understanding? Is everyone understand? This is little difficult to, again, syntax. See, I'll just try to write it again, everyone. Observe. First of all, sorted order. First of all, dictionary you write. Okay, in this dictionary, what you need to do? Sorted you need to do. Sorted function is there. Clear, everyone, this much? Yes? Dictionary you need to do sort. Now what you can do? D dot items you need to sort. Right? D dot items function you need to sort. Okay, D dot means dictionary dot items you need to sort. Now you have to create a lambda function. Lambda is a function, type of function, where you create x, okay, and then x of 1, and then what you do? You write reverse equal to true. Okay, so you are sorting it accordingly. Lambda comma, I've forgotten a comma, perhaps you've forgotten a comma. Is it here? Where is the comma? I think it is small r. Lambda x. Am I missing something, guys? Check it out. Items of 1 equals true. Okay, lambda small m, small l. Okay, small l. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? So if you want to sort it using the key, you can just write 0. If you want to sort it using value, you can just write 1. Tell me, am I clear? Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? Tell me yes or no. You guys had breakfast? Let me just see who are there. Tell me who are there. Oh, show me who are there. Okay. You guys had breakfast or not? Yes. How lucky you guys are. You guys are from, you guys stay in home or hostel? Mix, I guess. Home or hostel, guys? See, I'm bored of teaching now. Let me just talk for you with you sometime. After that, I'll again start. Okay? So, okay, Yamuna is staying in home. Meghna is staying in home. I'm jealous of you guys. Oh my god, everyone is staying at home. Such a lucky people you guys are. Everyone is at home. Nobody is in hostel. Oh my god. Nobody is in hostel. Anybody in hostel? Okay, okay. Now it is Nikita, Nanashri. Okay. So I'm telling you, these people who are staying in home, they won't understand the feeling of homesick. There's nobody. Okay, hostel also, at least you have someone to prepare food, right? If you stay in rent, nobody is there to prepare food. You have to prepare your own food. You have to eat everything. You have to do alone. Okay. So, if you are feeling lazy, means you skip the breakfast. Those people, those who are staying in home, are very lucky. Okay. Yes, I just wanted to say that. And how many people are there? Again, today no guys are there. Is it? Today no guys are there. Is it? Is it? Is there any guy? No. Again, happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day, guys. Happy Women's Day to all. I don't know why these guys are not joining. Either uh, they'll be busy doing nothing. They'll be playing cricket, gully cricket here, there, and they'll be telling, no, no, we have work, we have this. Nothing they will do. They think by playing gully cricket they will become cricketer. Okay, they're wasting time. They will go here, there. But yeah, girls are serious. In my class, all girls are serious. So proud of you, girls. Yes. So, all right. I don't think in this course there are many guys. Two, three guys are there. But again, they are also not joining. So waste guys. Probably they'll see the recording and they will feel like sir is scolding boys only, not girls. Okay, sir is biased. Again, they have to see this recording. They have to see this recording. Okay, and all right. So I've talked a lot. Let's go back into the code. Okay, let's go back into the code. So what I was doing is I was doing sorting. I have found out now what I can do. So see, this is my answer. So first I go with hit and then I check whether it is there or not. So again I go with balls. So one by one I need to check it. So my answer is should not be in the ban, right? So ban is hit. So I will just traverse for I in SOR. Okay, if if I not in ban, if I not in ban, print I, and then you stop the program, exit the program. Okay, you don't need to run anymore. Answer is ball. Are you guys getting it? Just check the code. Everyone check the code. Everyone check the code. So what I'll do is I will just copy all this. Okay, paste it here. Paste it here, and instead of printing, return I. Okay, okay. So A is the answer. Expected A. My answer is A only, right? What they are doing here? B. So if I don't take this, it will be BB. Okay, here I have taken this dot. How do I understand this dot is separating or single? It is actually single word, right? B dot B is a single word. So I've just removed that dot. So wherever their dot is, what they are saying. The words cannot contain punctuation word. Most frequent word that is not valid. Words it is guaranteed. They have not written anything about the dot, right? Paragraph consists of this one of the symbol where they have written about dot. If dot is given, is it a separate word or is it same word? They have not written. So what we can do? Think about it. What we can do? Everyone think about it. Think about it, everyone. How what we can do? So first of all, here they have not mentioned wherever dot is given. Dot separates the word. They have not mentioned anything. Okay. So what do you think? What you can do? What you can do? Think of it, guys. Think of it. What we can do? See, actually, I can do something kind of cheating. This is okay. So see, how many test cases are remaining? Tell me. How many test cases are remaining? How many test cases are remaining? Tell me. How many? Two. Okay. So what I can do is, if this comes, I can do a cheating. Okay. So if this, if str is if paragraph equal to this, return b. Let me check now. Return b, no, string b. Okay, now 49, you have to do the same. Okay, what they are doing, let's check it out. Expected is b. So this 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, wherever there is punctuation mark they are giving space, is it? So if I take this, wherever there is punctuation mark I can give space. Okay, so what I can do is, wherever there is punctuation mark, instead of giving this, wherever there is punctuation mark, else I'll just give answer equal to answer plus space. I'm giving. Done. So we have got it that wherever they are giving the punctuation mark, it is space. Okay, are you guys getting it? Yes or no? Or I am the one just doing it myself? I have done step by step, guys. Step by step I have broken it down into the most simplest thing. So here how I am observing, are you understanding? See, I am just observing. Okay, there punctuation mark is there, so punctuation mark, it is separate word, means else whenever punctuation mark is there, you just need to give space. Is everyone getting? Okay, cool. Can you write this program without looking at it, by understanding step by step? Again, see, when I am writing this code, I have not memorized it. Okay, do not think that I have memorized this code or something. It is not memorization, it is just a understanding, that when you do certain things again and again, if you are doing the same thing, your brain will tell, okay, this is how you need to do. Okay, so I have done this question before, not this particular question, like this question before, so I can just figure it out. Okay, this is I have to do, this is what I have to do. Understanding, so step by step it comes. Understanding, step by step it comes. Okay, with just logical thinking. You can't memorize this code, guys. Do not try to memorize this code. Always try to understand. Do step by step. What is the first step, what is the second step, what is the third step? You can do step by step all the steps. Is everyone clear? Yes. Can I move to next? Again, this was an interesting question. This was interesting question. Here you must have learned lot of things if you have understood. Okay, if you have understood, you must have learned lot of things. We are doing in the same question, we have done a lot of things. Tell me, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Any doubts? No doubts? No doubts? No doubts, guys. Guys, no doubts. Guys, no doubts. Girls, no doubts. Yes. Girls, tell me one thing. Do you feel that I'm strict? Do you feel that I'm strict? That's why you don't respond to me. Do you feel that I am too strict? Tell me yes or no. Tell me in the chat box, guys. Tell me in the chat box, or in anything in the chat, so that I can understand. Okay, students are they afraid of me, or are they not? So let me know. You guys are not giving me response properly. So let me know. Okay. Everybody says no. So basically, I need to be strict now. I have to start being strict. Yes. You guys are finding that I'm very lenient. Yes. So I can see that no one is responding well. Responding in the sense, either they will just do the react. I want you guys to speak up. Speak up. But very less people just speak up. Okay. But anyways, many people thinks no. Is anybody here thinks that I'm strict? Just let me know. Anybody in the chat box? Anybody in the chat box, so that I can improve my behavior. I feel like if I need to improve, I will improve. See, in college I'll act differently. Okay, if you have seen me in college, I'll totally be different. But as a person, I'm not that strict. Not It's not about being strict also. With okay, is everyone should be comfortable. The first thing is, okay, when you are studying, I don't want anybody to have the fear that sir will think this, sir will tell me this, that. Nothing. You should have any fear in asking any doubts, in asking any question. That is the whole point. Okay, that is the whole point. Okay. Yes, yes, girls. Thumbs up, everyone. Thumbs up, everyone. Okay. All right, all right, all right. So what we'll do is we'll go to the next question. We'll solve few more question. That's it. Maybe one or two question we'll solve. We have started from 10:30, right? 10:30, 11:30, 12 up to 12 up to 12:15 we can do. Okay, let's check it out. uh, I hope you have understood this question. Let's check it out. Hi guys. Hi guys, you all are there? Yes. Okay, actually my internet is having little bit issue, but no problem. We can handle this situation. Yes, we should not complain. We should acknowledge it and we should try to solve the problem. Okay. All right. So I hope I'll now share the screen. Okay, most common word done. Let's go to next. So most common word done. Shortest distance to a character. It is little difficult, I guess. Shortest distance to a character. Let's try it out. Uh, I feel it is little difficult. We'll do it later. We'll do it right now. You are not in that level of understand. You can understand, but I just wanted to take a easier question little bit. Okay, not that difficult. Back string compare, string compare. It is easy question, but it comes in string. Okay, I'll just go on with string later. Buddy string, reverse only letters. Okay, this is very interesting. Reverse only string. Are we done with this? Tell me yes or no. Are we done with this question? Reverse only letters. Are we done with this? Tell me yes or no, somebody. No, right? Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to do this question, and yeah. So reverse only letters. You must have understood it. Okay. So A B C D is there. So if you reverse A B C D, it is D C B A. So D C B A, but this is in the same position. Am I clear? Every character, other character will be in the same position, leaving the strings. Am I clear? Am I clear with the question? Understood, right? So now what we'll do is Okay, think of it, everyone. Think of it how you can solve this. First of all, you have to collect all the strings. Okay, you have to collect all the strings, reverse it, put the string, reverse string in its own position. No, own position in the sense sequence position. Are you guys getting it? Are you guys getting it? Tell me. Simple logic only. Understanding? See, first I'll take the letters, I'll collect it, I'll do the reverse. So I'll collect A B C D, I'll collect it, I'll reverse it D C B A, and then whenever I'm finding letters, I'll put it in its position. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes. Okay. Let's check it out. So first of all, see, L equal to list. I'm taking a list because it is easier to reverse and all. Okay, and also change. So for I in S, if I is alphabet. Okay, is only alphabet. Here it is mentioned only alphabet, I guess. Reverse only string. According to the rules, characters that are not English remain in the same position. Lowercase or uppercase should be reversed. Okay, so now is alpha. If it is alphabet, what you do? If it is alphabet, what you do? You collect it. L dot append in the L dot append I. Okay, you collect all the alphabets. Now what you do? You do reverse. How you do reverse? This is how you do reverse of a list. Now again, I will try to convert that string into list. Why? Because I need to change that string, right? The string is immutable. I can't change the original string. So what I do? I will change it into list so that I can traverse for I in L, for I in S. Okay, for I in S. Now also I can take a I equal to 0, not I equal to j equal to 0. Everyone try to understand it. Try to understand. J is a index that refers to list. For I in S means for I in range len of S means I am traversing one by one S value. Okay, I am traversing one by one S values. Wherever I will find alphabet, I'll change it with the L alphabet, reversed one. So what I'll do, if S of I dot is alpha, if it is alphabet, what we'll do? I'll change that with J. S of I equal to L of J, and after changing it, I will increment the J. Okay, I'll increment the J. Why? Because J is 0 here. Okay, now J will go to next point. So if it is alphabet, then only I am putting, and then only I am incrementing the J. Okay, at the end I will return what I have to convert join S. Okay, join S. S is a list, right? I have to convert it into list, string. So I've converted it into string, and then I'll check it, join, done, return, submit, done. Is everyone getting it or not? Anybody, any problem? Just try to understand the variables, dry run it. The logic is very simple. Take all the alphabets, okay, store it in the list, reverse the list, change the S into list so that I can change it, I can alter it. J is the variable that holds the I value, see L value, that's why I'm doing this L of J, and I'm running one by one, and I'm checking if it is alphabet. What I'm doing, in the S of I, I'm putting L of J, and whenever I'm putting, I'm making J go forward, and then at the end I am converting that s into string and then reversing it. Tell me tell me is everyone, anybody any problem in this, anybody any problem in this? Are you understanding how beautiful it is, how mind, uh, it captures the mind, not captures, I won't say the captures mind, but when you get involved in the solving the question, it tries to find all the things in mind simulation, what we call as mind mapping, we call as, okay, basically it simulates your mind. And that's why we call it as problem solving. When you are solving a problem, you have to think it in a lot of different ways, and not just thinking the logic but also writing it down in step by step process. That is the beauty of algorithm. That is the beauty of uh, you know problem solving. Once you start solving problem, you become addictive to this problem solving process. It is so interesting. You keep your mind involved in that problem, nothing else. You forget the whole world right now. You just try to solve each and every problem one by one. Simple. That is why it keeps your mind uh, in one place, and it keeps you focused. If you lose your focus, means you can't do it. You have to keep your mind in the same uh, problem until and unless you solve it. Understanding, are you realizing that? Tell me, if you are not realizing that, there's no point of problem solving. There's no point of problem solving. There are so many problems in the world, right? So if your mind is just in the world right now, it does not work. You have to just focus on your own problem. On your own problem, what problem you are facing. You are facing money problem, right? You are facing job problem. You have to get the best job. That is your problem. For getting job, you need to become smart. So for getting smart, you need to solve problems. Simple. Simple. Understanding the point, everyone. Understanding the point. Do not deviate from the main goal. Your main goal is to earn money, and for earning money, you have to become smart. There is no alternate way. There is no alternate way. No one will give you money for free. You have to become smart. So for becoming smart, you simulate your mind. You simulate your mind with problems. The more problems you solve, the more habituated it becomes. Then you can solve the diverse problem. Diverse means any problem comes, you can solve it. Any problem comes, does not matter whether it's small problem, big problem. You solve now small problems. At the end, after practicing, you solve medium problems, you solve hard problems, then you solve your own life problems. Ultimately it is same, isn't it? Your life problem is also, isn't it same? You are facing, let's say, let me take an example of, you are facing breakup. How to solve it? How to solve a breakup problem? Tell me. How to solve it? You realize that, okay, the guy is gone, now it is done. Now what I can do it? I can't do anything, right? I can't do anything right now. So what I have to do? I have to, right now, what other problems are there? Money problem, job problems are there, family problems are there. Let me solve all those first. After that, I'll see that problem later. Which one is having more priority? Your own problem is having more priority rather than those boyfriend problem, girlfriend problem, all those. And at your age, it is very common. Okay, once you get 25 plus, then only you will understand these things doesn't matter much. Okay, but yeah, anyways, now uh, this today's kids are becoming more smarter. So I won't judge anything. Okay, but yeah, any I'm just telling you, once you start solving problem, you can solve your life problems also very easily. Okay, your life problems will seem like problem solving. Now you have to think and sit what you can do with your time. That is the most important. When your mind is not occupied in all the distraction, you take away all your mind from that distraction and you put in that problem, and you solve that problem step by step. Understanding, that is what problem solving teaches you. It does not just teaches you coding. Don't think we are just doing coding. We are here simulating our mind. We are here making use of our mind to solve a problem. Okay, it can be life problem, it can be this problem, it can be string problem, it can be anything. You start becoming habituated to problem solving process rather than the goal. Goal is not to solve a problem. Goal is to enjoy the process of solving the problem. Is everyone understanding? Is everyone understanding? Tell me yes or no. Yes. So yeah, don't tell yourself that you are doing coding. Tell yourself you are doing problem solving. Problem solving. Become used to problem solving. Okay, that is how people become smart. All the smartest people, they solve problems. They solve problems. Okay, they solve very difficult problems, mathematical problems, all this analytical problem. Lot of problems are there. Okay, you just have to keep your mind open. Okay, am I done? Am I clear to you all? Am I clear to you all what I'm trying to speak? Okay, all right, now we'll do maybe one more question. Okay, we have done couple of lot of good question today. If you see, the lines are increasing. Day by day the lines of code will be increasing. It will not be just short anymore. It will keep increasing. Okay, you don't have to fear again. Even if you have to write 200 lines of code, you can write it by step thinking each and every point, each and every line at a time. Okay, all you have to do is focus on that particular problem that you are solving right now. Okay, so I have done this. How many questions we are done? 5 questions, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Was one last question we'll solve. After that we are done. Okay, one last question. So reverse only letters done. Yeah, long press name. Divide, delete columns, find common characters. Let's see this. Let's see this question. Okay, given a string array word, return any array of all characters that show up in all the string within the words, including duplicates. You may return the answer in any order. Okay, everyone observe here. E. E is there, right? E, E, E. It is there. L, L is there. So L, L is there. L, L is there. Okay, that's it. That's it. That is the common in all. Even if duplicates is there, it is common. Is everyone understanding? How to solve it? Think of it, everyone. Very interesting question. Duplicates also you need to take. How to solve it? How to solve it? Think, everyone, how to solve it. This is quite interesting question. C, 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 O, O, can we use dictionary here? Everyone observe. See, can we use dictionary as B? B how many times here? It is one time. Okay, B how many times? One time. B here is nothing. So if it is nothing, means what I'll do, okay, so B is one time, B is one time, B is 0 time. So if it is 0, okay, okay, it will be little tricky. I will try to solve it in a one intuitive way. Everyone try to observe. Just observe, pure observation. I will explain you after the code. Okay, let me write the code. So it is a dictionary. Okay, I'll take one word. Let's say word w equal to words of first word I'm taking for I in w. Okay, I just am running that word. After that word, what I'll do, if d of I, if I not in d, then what I'll do, I'll create d of I equal to list and then 0, not 0, 1. Okay, I'm keeping not in d means I'm keeping it initializing with 1. Else if it is there, I can initialize it with if the word is not there. Let's say here b first time comes b, b is not there in the dictionary, so b 1. E comes, e is not there in dictionary, so e1. L is not there in the dictionary, so l1, l1. Okay, I don't just have to traverse the words but also the letters. Okay, is anybody having any approach? Tell me. Think of it, everyone. Think of the approach. Okay, I can do it. So if I in, I have to traverse all, right? For j in words, for j in words, for I in w, for j in words, if I not in j, if I not in what I can do is, if I, that word is not in j, j means what? 1 by 1. Okay, if that word is not in, if I is not in j, then break. Okay, 1 by 1. But if it is everything is there, if that word I is everything is there in each and every word, then what I can do, I have to take the word in dictionary. For I in words, d of I d of, for k in words, d of I equal to, d of I means what? That word I am putting it, for k in words, k means 1 by 1 value, let's check it out. Okay, are you understanding this? E is what? E is there in all, so 111. L is there what? In all. Okay, now I can find it easily. So what I have to do, I have to just, for I in D, I have to take one by one string for I in D. I'll explain you guys, just you know, stick with me, do not go, do not get distracted, just observe. For I in D, I'll first find the, for I in D means one by one word, I'll try to find the D of I. So M equal to min of D of I. D of I is the whole list, I am trying to find the min. So that many times S equal to S plus I is what? I is that word into that word into M time. Okay, I just have to join dot join S. I have to convert it into S is a string, right? Okay, I have to convert it into list. Okay, cool, 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 cool. It works pretty well. Now tell me how many of you have understood this. How many have understood this? Up or down? Sneha understood, Nikita understood. Chandrakala not. Okay. Anyone? Okay, Yukta not. Who else? Amulya not. Yamuna not. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Yeah. All right. I'll just take the screenshot and I'll explain you how it works. It is actually interesting. Okay, everybody pay attention, okay? Everybody pay attention, and I am going to explain you this. This is the last question. Okay, make sure you guys understand this. What is the test case? Test case is Bella level roller. Bella level roller. Okay, so observe it. Okay, observe it. Bella level roller. Okay, are you guys ready? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. Are you guys ready? Yes, just put your attention last time, okay? Last question it is. 11 people are there. Okay, so I'll just go dry run one by one. So see, The intuition is very simple. I am creating one dictionary. Okay, in this dictionary, first I am having word w is word of 0. What is word of 0? Bella. I'm just keeping Bella here so that I can take a reference of this word. Okay, now what I am doing is, for I in w, I am traversing one by one here. One by one I am traversing. Okay, in that traversing I am traversing inner loop of for j in words. So first time this, second time this, third time this. Okay, now what I'm checking is everybody observe, if I is what, let's say my I is in the b, right? First time I is in the b, Bella. Okay, and my j is where? My j is first here, j is second here, j is third here. So what I am checking is, if I not in j, means if this b is not in j, so here b is in j. Okay, so again j will be next here, again b is in j. Okay, again j will be here, b is not in j. Understanding? So see, b is here in j, b is not here, b is here in j again. Okay, b is here, b is here. Okay, so it is yes, here b is not in j. Okay, here b is not in j. Okay, so what we are doing, we are breaking the loop, inner loop. We are breaking the loop. Okay, breaking the loop means we are not doing anything. We are not doing anything. Clear? Now next what we are doing, again we are going I, our I am incrementing. Now my I is at e. Now e is here. Okay, e is here, e is here, means this break will not happen. If this break is not happening, then what I am doing, d of I. D of I means in d of I, e, I am creating one list. Okay, I am creating one list. In that list what I am doing, I am running all the word one by one. See, for k in words I am running one by one, and then I am putting d of I. D of I means d of e, d of e dot append. What append I am doing? I am doing k dot count. K means what? One by one. In this how many times e is there? In this I is, e is one time. Next k. What is next k? E is how many time? E is two time. Next how many time e? E is one time. Okay, this is what I am doing if it is there in all. Okay, next I will increment my I. So next my I is here in L. Okay, L. So again I am checking all this, it is not breaking, right? L is there, L is there, L is there. So what I am doing, I am doing L of, I am creating a new list, and then I am checking in k how many times L is there. So this is k, this is k, this is k. How many times L is there? L is there two times, L is there two times, L is there two times. Okay, after that, so this much is clear. I hope this much will give you this code. After this I am getting string, new string. In that what I am doing, I am checking one by one, I am running the d, and I am trying to find the minimum in d of I. So first I is e. In this whole thing I am finding the minimum. What is the minimum? Minimum is 1. So that s is empty string plus I. What is I? E. E into 1. If I do e into 1, it is e. Okay, plus again I am going to the next word, L. L how many times it is? L into 2 times, so it is become LL. So I am summing up E plus LL. Answer is ELL. At the end I am returning it into list by converting it into different list. Is everybody clear? Tell me yes or no. Is everybody clear? Yes, just try to understand the intuition, just try to understand the logic. Okay, how I am doing step by step. Again, it will all come by practice. Nothing is out of the box here. Everything comes with practice, everything comes with step by step. Sometimes I think I'm so smart. Am I smart, guys? Okay, cool. Amulya thinks I'm smart. Ganan, Shri, Chandrakala. Okay, who else thinks? Yamuna, Yukta, Sneha. Okay, basically everything thinks I'm smart. Everybody thinks I'm smart. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks. Okay. Jokes apart, I hope that you have understood this question. Very interesting. Again, it will not come to you by intuition. It will come to you by practice. Okay, it will come to you by practice. Which data structure to use? So I have used here dictionary. I have used here list. I'm combining both. In the dictionary, I'm keeping a list. Okay, that is also you can do. Okay, all will come by practice. I'm just telling you, everything comes by practice. Everything comes by practice. Okay, so you watch the video. If you are feeling confused, if you are feeling doubtful, you watch the video again and then you try to solve. Is everybody clear? Is everybody clear? Yes. So I'm done with 6 questions today. All questions are good. If you can solve all these questions step by step, means you will become good at problem solving. Okay, there's you will there's no chance that you will not be good at. Simple simple task is you keep solving problems, solve 100 problems, keep scrolling. Not scrolling, see, not scrolling, I don't mean by Instagram scrolling. I just mean to say, if you cannot run, you at least walk. Okay, if you cannot walk, at least scroll. In that sense, okay, go slowly. Go slowly. You should not run here. You should not run here fast. Okay, at least solve 1 to 2 questions per day, even if it is you are finding it difficult, even if you are not willing to do. That is where you push. That is where you push yourself. That is where you know your limits. Okay, I can be this great. The one problem I'll tell you of students think that they are not enough. They are not smart enough. They are not this enough. They are not that enough. They are not. They think that they are not enough. As a teacher, if I can make you believe that you guys can do anything in this world, see, simple understanding that everyone is smart enough if they are willing to put their work. If they are willing to put their work, they can become smart. But are you putting all your time? Are you putting all your time in solving questions? Are you putting all your time, that extra edge? What is the extra edge? That extra edge is in pushing your limits. Are you pushing your limits? Everyone is enjoying their life, right? Everyone, see, those who have not joined today's class, they might be watching TV, they might have gone outside for a date, they might have be busy with their XYZ things. But are those important? The priority in your life, the priority you need to set is this thing important in my life? Simple. If this is important in my life, I will do it anyhow. No one should be distracting a day. Any come 1 second, guys. Huh? Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, so see, what I am speaking is, no one should take your time in a day. In a day, everyone have a limited time, right? 24 hours. Yes, everyone have a limited time. No one should take that time away from you unknowingly. Means, if you start scrolling Instagram, means how much time you will spend? 2 hours, 3 hours you will spend with no knowledge of how much actually you are spending. Understanding? That is what called unconscious spending time. Unconsciously. But you have to be very conscious about how much time you are giving to what things. Okay, and as a student, I'm telling you, as a student, I am a working professional. I have some freedom here and there because I'm earning money, right? I'm earning money. I am having independent to live my life in my own way. I don't have to ask parents whether should I do this, do that. I don't have to ask because I'm in that position, or I'm in that phase of life where I can take my own responsibility. But as a student, you all are dependent. Understand that you all are dependent to your parents. You all are dependent to your lot of people you are dependent on. Okay, so it is very high time to understand your responsibility. Your responsibility is to become independent first. Simple. And to become independent, you need to take few responsibility and push your limits. Understanding what I'm trying to say? Understanding, guys? Yes, that's how you become, mature. Kind of, you need to realize the. I personally think, see, maturity is taking responsibility. Simple. I don't have tough definition of maturity. Maturity is whoever is taking responsibility, those are mature enough. Whoever is just talking, those are not. Whoever is talking that I will become this, I will become that, nonsense. Just nothing, no substance in that talking. If they are saying, "Well, we will do this, we will do that, we have big hopes, we have big dreams," do you really think dreams work like that? Do you guys really think dreams work by just dreaming it? No, it does not work. It comes with obsession. It comes with the real. If you are taking responsibility, then it will come along with that responsibility. Understanding dreaming alone is not enough. Do you have the courage to follow your dreams? Again, it takes sacrifice. Are you willing to sacrifice your time? That's again another good question. Are you willing to sacrifice your time? uh, प्रभु प्रभु वाईफाई दे जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. अबे मेरा बहन. Okay. Everyone is there. One guy, yeah. So yeah, is everyone understanding what I'm trying to say? My internet is giving a lot of problem, but yeah. Yes, understood, right, everyone? So that's all I'm saying is, guys, start taking responsibility. Okay, start taking responsibility. Even if you don't like the doing problem, even I don't like doing problem, do you really think I'm enjoying? It's not I'm enjoying. I have made my mind in such a way that I start enjoying. I don't really enjoy. If you give me two options, I should go for party, I should go do problem solving. Which one should I choose? I will choose party, obviously, not problem solving. Understanding why we are doing problem solving? Because I know the importance of problem solving now. See, I can say it because I'm earning from it. My whole lifestyle is dependent on it. My whole lifestyle, that wherever I'm going tour, wherever I'm going, all the things that I'm doing, it is dependent on that thing. So I can understand the importance of that. But right now, as a student, you don't realize because you have not earned money from it, right? So what I'm saying is, right now you work, later that work will become earning, and once you start earning, you will do it more. Okay, so I don't have to think now whether should I do problem solving or not. No, I should do it. If I have thought about it, I should do it. It's not about whether I'm liking it or not. Understanding? Yes, everyone is clear, or what I'm trying to say? Yes. Okay, so you start your lead code journey, guys. You start your competitive coding journey, become smart, and then you can choose any other domain also. Okay, there is no issue in choosing domain. You choose any other domain: AI, cybersecurity, cloud. So many domains are there. You can learn a lot of things, but make sure you are smart enough to understand the problem. Okay, what is the problem, what is competitive coding and all. You need to first understand the framework of how to think. First, make this thinking power strong. Once you make this thinking power strong, you can do anything, literally anything. Okay, so start your journey, guys. Start your journey. All I'm telling is, if you are giving 2 hours in Sunday, you guys are serious enough, right? And if you are serious enough, I'm telling you, follow this intuition. Intuition means whatever is coming from the heart. Yes, whatever is coming from the heart, you follow that intuition. You will find something beautiful. Think of it. See, I'll tell you simple. What I do, one exercise. Whenever I feel demotivated, I think of one thing. I just think of one thing. Think of it. You are going to some other country. Japan, you are going to Dubai, you are going to any other country, okay, with your own money. Think of it, just imagine that thing. You are just going to Dubai, let's say. Not right now, it's not a good time to go, but I'm just telling you to imagine, okay? You are going with your own money, you are spending all your time, all your everything you are doing all alone. Won't it be great? Won't it be great? You are going to Las Vegas, you are going to, US with your own money, you are roaming in New York, let's say, and you don't have any tension because you have right now money. Understanding the feeling you have to chase, guys. That feeling will give you the motivation. Right now you have to see it, that is called manifestation. Okay, when you manifest things, okay, I have to do this things. Now you can't waste your time. Where is a time to waste? Because now you have a goal. Now you have a manifestation to do lot of things, right? Now you don't have any more time to waste it in Instagram or waste it in any other place, because you have so many things to do in your life, in your limited life. Life is limited, right? Everyone understand that. Yes, in this small amount of time you have to do so many things. Means, can you really feel that you have so much time that you can waste it in Instagram, rolling, scrolling reels? Do you do you have time? Tell me yes or no. Do you have time? Okay, so that's it, guys. Yamuna is saying no. Okay, Yamuna, you are in first semester, if I'm not wrong. Yes, yes, yes. Any other first year girls? Everyone here else is, I guess, third year, except one, Yamuna. So Yamuna is the youngest one here, I guess. Anybody here first year? So many people are realizing it late in the third year that we have to do something. We have to learn all this. Okay, but anybody here first year? No. So basically, Yamuna is the one. You are starting early, so you have some advantage. Okay, understand that. And everyone else also, we have lot of time actually. If you think our lifetime is our timeline, right? It is not just your engineering. Don't think that life will end after engineering. No, life will start after engineering. Okay, so you take it as up to 25 you need to get settled. Don't take it as no, I'm graduating, I have to do all these things, then you can't do anything. I'm telling you, that is a wrong mindset. You always think, okay, let's say you are 20 or 21, because you are graduating, you will be graduating, right? So let's say you are 20 or 21. In that 20 or 21, you don't think that I have to get settled by 2021, I have to get job. No, don't think like that. Just think, okay, I have 2 to 3 year, I can do experiment. Let's do it. I will be mastering subject, I will be mastering skills. Now what skills I should choose? Okay, first complete the DSA, complete the competitive coding, because any IT industry, any IT job you give, the first round is competitive coding. The first round itself is competitive coding. If you can't crack that, you can't go in the next step. Okay, you can't go in the next step. So for cracking the first interview, first round, competitive coding is important. But after that, you have to master one more skill, either AI, either cybersecurity, either cloud computing. Okay, so you can choose your domain accordingly. You start working, whether you choose cloud, whether you choose AI, whether you choose cybersecurity. Slowly you start working and think as if you need to become master of it. You need to become master of it, as if no one will do it better than you. When you are studying, think it like that I am the best in this world, I will be best in this world in this subject. I will now study in such a way that I will be the best person. Okay, think like that, prepare yourself like that I want to master this skill. Simple. I want to master this skill. Forget about job, forget about money, forget about everything. Just think of it, I want to become this master of this subject. How can I become master now? You have to become obsessed. Obsession will lead you to the mastery. Is everyone getting? Yes. So I hope you guys put all your time in a right way, right understanding, because you are all students, you have a lot of time. I myself, I am 27 now. Okay, I don't have much. I have time in that way, but I feel like, okay, now I am in a position where I have to settle it down. But you guys have so much time to do experiments. Do experiments with your life, but again, do a mature experiment, not immature experiment. Okay, do a mature experiment where you are becoming something, where you are mastering something, where you are attaching yourself. Okay, I want to become this, I want to become this. Am I doing all those things? Just ask yourself a right question. Am I doing all of those things, or I'm just going with the flow without understanding where it will lead me to? Okay, don't just flow away by the life, flow away by the wind of life. Okay, you have to take a decision that I want to become this. Let's now work upon it. Understanding, you have to take decision. Someone should not tell you that you need to become this or that. If you ask me what to become, I can't say you what to become. You choose your why and what to become. Then after that, why will follow. How to do it, it will follow. Just ask yourself what I want to become, what should be the outcome. Okay, is everyone understood? Yes. Yes. All right, let me not give let me stop my TED Talk speech. Okay, it is already we have done 2 hours class. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. If you have any questions, DM me in the chat box, DM me in the WhatsApp. I'll be available there. Okay, that's it. Go on with your day. Okay, have a great day ahead. Thank you guys, thank you, thank you, thank you for the applause. Yes. Okay, bye everyone. See you tomorrow.